All right, let's put it all together. We want to find the equation of a line. But this time they're going to give us something really funky. They're just going to give us 2 points. Well, let's see. We know that it takes 2 points. If we graph those 2 points, we could draw a line in between those points. And we know that with those 2 points, we could find the slope. And then wait, if we have the slope and 1 point, then we could plug it in point slope, and we already know how to morph that over to get it to slope-intercept form. Remember, when they're asking for the equation of a line, this is what they want, unless they say otherwise. All right, so let's get this going. So they give us a point, some random point, 3, -2, and 4, 6. These are 2 points from a line. So this is point number 1 from the line. We're going to call it x1 and y1. This is point number 2 from the line, so we'll call it x2 and y2. We got to find the slope, and we know it's slope because this is the only equation that uses 2 points. So we know this is the equation we're going to use, so we're just going to substitute it in now. So y2, that's going to be our 6, minus our y1, which is -2. That's going to be all over our x2, which is 4, minus our x1, which is 3. All right, let's make this minus minus a positive. So we have 6 plus 2 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Hey, we have a slope of 8. Now we found the slope, so we're going to label this M. Here we are, right here. All right, at this point, we have a slope, and we do have a point from the line. Now, it doesn't matter which point you choose. However, I'm going to choose this one because it's already labeled already nice for me. So now we're going to plug it into our point slope formula. We know how to do this. So we're going to say y minus y1, let's see, y1 is -2, is equal to m, and we just found that m was 8. Then we've got our parentheses, x minus, and we already said that x1 here is 3, so we'll plug in our 3. All right, before we can go anywhere, we need to see if there's anything we need to do to make it pretty, and we do. This negative is a positive. Make sure you change this first, because it'll mess you up later when you're trying to get the y alone. All right, we also know we need to get rid of the parentheses before we can do anything. So we're going to distribute 8 times x is 8x, and 8 times -3, remember the Vegas rule, is -24. So we have y plus 2 is equal to 8x minus 24. We are so close, right? We still got to get the y alone. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, numbers with numbers. This cancels out, and we have y is equal to 8x minus 26. We have the slope, our original slope, and we now have the y-intercept. Much prettier equation. We like that, and you are done. And remember, you know you love math.